Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. This demonstration is to show you how to quickly select invoices for payment in your Sage 50 system. Selecting multiple invoices can sometimes be very time-consuming and a tedious task, so we will show you how to select the invoices without using the mouse or the tab key to make this process much quicker. So the demonstration is a very quick demonstration and a very simple solution to make your time more efficient. With that being said, let's get started with the demonstration, and hopefully you will find this useful in your daily tasks. Thank you. Okay, so we're in our Sage data, and the first thing we want to do is select our payments module. So we select that, and we will select one of our vendors. So we go up and enter a vendor here. Now, this vendor has quite a few invoices for April, but there's also May ones in the system. So all we want to do is pay the April invoices. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the last invoice in April, the April 30th invoice. We'll click on that invoice and tab over. And when we tab over, it's going to show the amount. At this point, what you're going to want to do is use your up arrow. So you just up arrow until you get to the very top. This way you're quickly selecting all of your April invoices. Once you reach the top, just press your tab key once to accept that last invoice. And basically at this point, you're going to print the check and post the check. And that's the quick and simple way to quickly select 1 month worth of invoices. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.